everybody, welcome to another episode of After School Snacks with Al. Today we'll be making a snack that is healthy, and there's ingredients that are probably in your kitchen right now. It's called ants on a log. Now, ants in a kitchen doesn't sound like the best idea, right? But in this version, it's okay. It's also okay if it's Aunt Gertrude or Aunt Martha, and it's around Thanksgiving and they want to help with the dishes. But today, we're going to show you it's a mix of celery, peanut butter, and raisins. All right. So first, we get a fresh batch of celery. We chop it up. We get a box of sun-made raisins and your favorite peanut butter.
Does it feel good?
Some like crunchy, some like smoothie. I'm a smoothie guy. How about you, Jeremiah? What do you like?
Smoothie.
Smooth? Me too. All right. So, ladies, how about you? Crunchy or smoothie?
100% smooth.
All right. I like it. So today we're going to make it with smooth peanut butter, easier to spread. I chopped some up ahead of time. You spread it on the celery like this. Now this alone can be a wonderful snack. But then it's just a log. You add the ants on the log. Now you're talking. Afternoon snack, ants on a log. As we said before, you take the smooth peanut butter, smooth it out on your nicely chopped piece of celery. Now, guys, you could also use cream cheese instead of peanut butter if you're not a peanut butter fan. All right, here we go. We have one log, ants on. We have another log, ants on. And here we go. And there we go, gang. Afternoon snacks with Al, ants on a log.